hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Ma'am, my hobbies is I not play game in mobiles and laptops.
Okay.
My hobby is playing cricket and playing badminton and do study hard.
Oh wow, that's nice. It's nice. Great. So, what do you do during this lockdown time when you are not able to go out? What do you do then?
I learn programming and coding
Wow. And how do you learn that?
from from father.
Wow. So your father is a developer?
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice. So even you are planning to be one?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great. Okay. So this session, I'm sure you'll have fun. Okay.
Okay.
Now, tell me, why do you want to learn coding?
Because automation. Because of automation.
Okay. So do you know something about artificial intelligence?
No, ma'am, I don't know. I don't know no more. Because I start only now in lockdown.
Okay, so let me tell you, okay, so in artificial intelligence, we are trying to get computers as smart as humans.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will try to make the computer very smart so that they will do our work.
Okay.
So right now when we go to office, we generally work with computers
Yes.
and other human colleagues, but when you may go to office, you may be working with robots. It's a, yeah? Okay, so let me tell you how different it is to work with a robot. Okay? So I have this water bottle and there is some water inside this bottle.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I want to drink water from this bottle.
Yes.
Okay? What will you tell me?
Ma'am, first you will go to kitchen and take bottle, and come to you drink your water in kitchen, So first you is bottle is empty, so you want to fill the bottle and fill the bottle and open the cap and drink.
Okay, so I did all these things. I have some water inside it. Okay, I open the cap
and drink.
Now imagine that I am a robot. Okay.
Okay.
I have this bottle filled. Okay, so I got from the kitchen. I kept it here.
Okay.
Okay. A bottle inside, and I am a robot.
Okay.
Now what do to drink water from this bottle?
I don't know.
You just need to open the
some steps like you told me. Tell the same steps to robot and see what
You
happens.
just want to open the bottle.
Okay, so how to
Open the cap. Open the cap of bottle. Sorry.
Okay, I'm trying to open the cap of bottle. It's not opening.
Rotate this.
Rotate it. It's not working.
Rotate it this side.
Both sides. It's not working.
Okay. So clockwise you want to do rotate this.
Okay, so I'm doing it clockwise. It's not opening. What do I do?
Anti-clock, ma'am. Anti-clock.
Anti-clockwise. Okay, I'm doing it anti-clockwise. It's still not opening.
Okay, so you want to means you can cut the bottle and drink.
That is the last thing I would do.
Yes.
What if I tell that to a robot? Robot will start doing it every time.
Yes.
All bottles would be out. All the bottles will be broken in pieces.
Okay.
Open this bottle and drink water from this bottle. So what should robot, how to open a bottle? Tell me, I'm trying my best. See, I'm rotating it this way, that way. It doesn't open. I do it like this, pull the cap. It's not opening. What to do?
Ma'am, you ma'am,
Okay, tell me, why is this bottle not opening when I rotate it?
because you are not doing very hard to this bottle when you do.
I'm doing it. See, I'm rotating it correctly. Yeah. See, I'm rotating this bottle very correctly.
Okay.
Why it's not opening the cap?
Sealed. This is sealed.
Man,
This is sealed.
man, this is sealed.
Sealed.
Huh?
Sealed pack.
Man, this is sealed pack.
It's not sealed. It's open. See, the bottle is almost empty. It's not sealed.
Okay.
If there is no water, then why go?
Oh, what can I do now?
See, I'm rotating it clockwise. It doesn't open. If I rotate it anti-clockwise, it doesn't open. So what should you tell the robot to do?
मैम कैन आई टेल इन हिंदी?
हाँ, बोलो बोलो चलेगा.
आपको इस बोतल को पकड़ना है हाँ और फिर उसको जोर से घुमाना है तब वो.
So I have to hold the bottle.
Yes, yes.
2 hands.
Okay.
That? Okay, then I try to open it. Okay. Now what? Done. अबे क्या?
Now you drink the water.
नहीं आ रहा है बारी में. क्या करना है?
हाँ तो उसको ऐसा करो और ऐसे करके पी जाओ.
नहीं नहीं कैसे कैसे? Be exact.
हाँ.
बोतल को हाइट.
बोतल को हाइट पे ले जाओ फिर उसको ऐसे करो उसको डाउन साइड करो.
ऐसे डाउन साइड.
हाँ थोड़ा और डाउन साइड करो. हाँ अब आप पानी पी सकते.
Thank you. Okay. Now, did you understand that there is some difference how humans communicate and how robots communicate?
Yes.
Yeah. So what happens is that we humans are very intelligent by nature.
Yes.
So we will understand so many things.
Yes.
But robots are not like that. They are not intelligent.
Yes.
They will not understand basic things. You need to tell them every small instructions. It has to be very exact.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Now, right now we both are communicating in English and Hindi. Okay, we are in these 2 languages.
Okay.
Do you know any other language?
No, ma'am. Computers know binary language. I know,
Correct.
but I don't know any other language. I know Marathi somewhere.
That's nice. Okay. Okay, but if you talk to me in a language that I don't know, then we won't be able to communicate, right?
Yes.
Well, early computers have their own language. Like you said, there is a binary language that computer
Yes, ma'am.
understands.
Yes.
But when you talk about binary language, okay, then you need to also type everything, right? You need
Yes.
to type the language.
Okay.
Correct? Type commands. And commands, if we start giving in binary, it's very difficult. So we have some languages that computers have which are very near to English language.
Okay.
Okay? So do you know any such languages that computers would be aware of? Have you heard of them like HTML?
Yes, ma'am. Python and Java and many things. HTML
Correct, yeah.
QBasic.
Yeah, so you
and
know
QBasic.
Good. Nice. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to learn JavaScript today.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we are going to learn the JavaScript language.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, what I will do is I will share my screen with you.
Okay, ma'am.
And below our photo, there is a share screen button and then there is a full screen button.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to click on full screen button.
Okay.
Okay? And I will share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, what we will do is we will start by creating games.
Oh.
And we use games is because games will give us very interesting and complex problems to solve.
Okay.
Right, so let's do it. Okay, so I clicked on this game. Have you seen this game earlier?
Ma'am, I don't play game.
Okay, no worries, but we'll create few, right? We can create games.
Okay.
Okay, so this is called as a Pong game.
Okay.
It was made by computer programmers in initial days.
Okay.
It was very famous at its time.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you another game here.
Oh. Oh, this is interesting game.
Yeah, this is almost similar to the soccer, right? The
Yes.
same game, yeah? Okay. Have you seen this?
Yes, I seen this. My brother played this game many
Yeah,
times.
this is Angry Bird.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll be making all these games later on in this course, okay?
Okay.
And have you seen this dinosaur running anytime?
Yes, ma'am. I see this game in YouTube.
Okay, but when does he run? Does he run anytime on your computer?
Note, ma'am. Yeah, this is running in your computer.
Okay, but if you don't have internet, this will start running on your browser also.
Okay.
The Chrome, it's there embedded in the Chrome. Okay, Google has embedded it on all the Chrome browsers.
Okay.
We are going to do is, we are going to create a game using JavaScript.
Okay.
And we are going to create this Pong game. Yeah?
Okay.
So let's observe this game, okay? So we will first name what are the components of this game.
Okay.
Okay? So my first component that I see is I see a small square ball in the center.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is something else that you see on the screen?
There is 2 rectangular bar on
Yeah.
both sides.
Yeah, we call them as paddles, okay?
Yes.
They are paddles that will hit the ball.
Okay.
What else do you see?
I see a line between those rectangular bar in middle.
Yeah, so that's the net, okay?
Dotted line.
What else?
And then there is points. Means if he lose her point is 1, and he lose her point, his point is 1.
Sorry, I was not able to hear you. Could you please repeat again?
Ma'am, there is score.
Yeah, scorecard. Yeah, on top there is a scorecard. Correct. Yeah, and here there are sounds. And the ball will hit. Yeah, when the ball bounces,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will see the sound. You hear the sound. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So many components, and we want to start designing this game. Yeah.
Okay.
So let me introduce you to a JavaScript editor.
Okay.
It's my editor. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here on the left side, this is your code window.
Okay.
This is a code window where you will write the code.
Okay.
Above the code window, there is a play button.
Yes.
When you click on play button,
Okay.
the preview comes here. Hmm?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, and you can click on stop button so that the preview will go off. Okay,
Okay.
play and
Stop
okay. On
it.
the right side, you have a settings button.
Yes.
Here you can click on the themes on for this game. You
Okay,
can
ma'am,
click
okay.
this page. You can
Okay.
also change the font size.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. Now below our code window, there is something called as console.
Okay.
Using this console window, we actually display if there is any warning or error message. So if
Okay,
there is a problem in the code, it will say on line number 9 there is a problem, line number 10 has a problem, like that. Okay? This is the console box. Yeah? And we are going to use this code editor. Okay, so let me do this. I will stop sharing my screen and we will open this blank code editor at your end.
Yes.
Okay? So you click on you press the escape key on your keyboard so that you come back to the normal screen and click on share screen below our photos.
Okay, ma'am. Can I share screen? Ma'am, can I share screen, ma'am?
Yes, go ahead, share the screen.
Okay. Share.
Yes, I shared. Yes, I shared.
Ma'am, yes, I shared, but this is not done.
Yeah, so it will come up with a pop-up. You need to click on that screen, entire screen and click on share.
Okay. Ma'am, this is not happening.
Okay, so what happens when you click on share screen? You get a small window on top.
Where it is?
What happens when you click on share screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Click on the same.
Ma'am, I click on this.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, click on cancel. I think you are already sharing the screen. Yeah, correct. I can see your screen now, okay?
Okay.
On the right side, okay?
Okay.
Did you stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please share the screen because I want you to share your screen so that we can do activities together.
Click on it.
Ma'am, I shared screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now on the right side, you will see that there are names of the game, right?
Yes.
Okay. You to open activity 4 Pong game complete.
Okay.
And
Activity 4.
So click on it.
Pong game. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Start it once. How to start? What is written in What is it?
Ma'am, now what can I do? Array.
What is written?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So would you like to create this game?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's start then. Okay. Great. So come back to the Wi-Fi Junior tab. Okay.
Okay.
So what to do now?
Ma'am, what can I do now?
Go to Wi-Fi Junior tab again. Leave this game. We don't want to play. We want to develop the game, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So go to Wi-Fi Junior.
Whitehead
Junior tab. On top there is a red color dot besides your tab.
That is this here. Ma'am, I done.
Yes. Okay. Now click on student activity 6, rank student activity
Okay, ma'am.
on the right side.
Okay. Student activity 6. Pong game.
Okay. Should you see the same editor?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool.
Like it was there. Okay. Now I want you to click on play button and see what happens.
Wait.
Click on play.
Click. Nothing happened.
Ma'am, nothing happened.
Can you click on play?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, it's loading. Wait, it's loading. Click on play. Stay there for some time. It will load. It is taking time, I think.
Okay. Ma'am, yes.
One new screen open.
Okay. Okay, so do you see two boxes appearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now on the left side, we have written the code and that is what is getting us these boxes here. Okay?
Okay.
So read what is written on line number 3.
On line number 3, there is create canvas.
Line number 3.
Canvas.
Okay. So
Four.
box that is there with the dotted line,
Okay.
that's the canvas.
Okay.
Okay? It has 400 pixel size
Okay.
of the box, not of the inner box.
Okay.
Okay, do you see the outer box?
Ma'am.
That is
Yes,
the
outer
create
box, yes.
canvas. It's canvas.
Okay,
You will
ma'am.
draw the game.
Okay.
Yeah?
Small
Yes.
box है, बड़ा box.
Okay. Now come to line number 9. What is written there?
Line number 9 is written react 200, 200, 100, 100.
Correct. So we are actually drawing a rectangle using this rect function.
Okay.
Now I want to know what is this 200 stand for. Okay.
Okay.
So do one thing. Okay. In programming, we need not wait for anyone to come and tell us
Yes.
what it actually stands for and what it is. Okay.
Yes.
So you can make a change on your own. So change the first number. Okay. Make it something small and see what happens. The first 200 number, change that.
First 200.
First 200.
On line number 9, what is written RTC? So we are talking about line number 9 only, okay?
Rectangle 200, 200, 100, 100.
इनकी value 100 कर दो.
Yeah, so I want you to make it a small number instead of 200.
100.
Okay.
Make it 100.
Ma'am, make it 100, 100. Wait. 100.